This is the first opening, which is in Be First Talent. They are hiring for SOC Analyst. This is a permanent role, and this is remote and hybrid, right? And this is the website where you will get an email where you can apply for this role. And guys, if you are not able to find out where is the email ID to apply, just let me know. I'll send in the chat box, right? Next one is hiring for application security VAPT consultant, which is in Karadi, Pune. Okay, and company is Genser Technology. So you can say Genser Tech, right? And they want a web application API, VAPT, OWASP, top 10, Bobsuit, JAP, CH, OSCP, and all those skills. If you have, then you will good fit for this. And application security is the role, and parallel you need to work as a VAPT consultant, right? This is mail ID on which you can apply. You can send your resume. And hiding website app, this is what you need to write into subject, right? And this is the preferred certificate. If you have, then that is very plus point to get a job, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship training or internship, we have a very proper plan for you guys. Just check out both the URLs. Web application pen testing is basically starting in the next 2 or 3 days. So check out viehgroup.com/tc. Anyways, next is a networking engineer, looking for a skilled network engineer who should have hands-on experience in routing, switching, firewall, wireless networks, and SD-WAN, right? If you have all those knowledge, then it's a great point. Basically, if you have knowledge about CC, NP, and network automation tool, then you'll be having such a great opportunity to get hired in this company. 5 to 15 years is the basically experience is required for this role, and it's Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad is the location, right? This is a mail ID you will see where you can send your resume. Now the next opening is cybersecurity analyst, okay, ethical hacker pen tester, which is remote, and this is basically in uh, Chennai, right? Full freelance and contract, a full time role. There are three options which is available, right? And you can see this is a mail ID hr@redback.in is a mail on which you can apply for this one. And guys, one more thing, 1 to 3 years of experience is required for the junior role, and 3 to 5 years of experience is required for the senior role. And all those knowledge is very important to get this job, right? Next is someone is looking for NOC engineer role, and this is mail ID which is in Egypt. Prime Source is the company, or might be a recruiter one who is hiring. That's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching. Cyber Coffee is the Hindi channel. You can watch out to get daily update and things on cybersecurity, to get job and proper guidance in Hindi. If you're looking for web application pen testing internship, check out this URL. If you're looking for SOC, check out this URL. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.